Ever wondered how to make your TradingView strategies come to life in the real market? Well, you're in for a treat. In the next few minutes, we'll break down how to transform your TradingView strategy into a fully automated trading bot. Ready? Let's dive in. It all starts on TradingView. Here you can create, adapt, or even buy access to trading strategies. These strategies are the brains of the operation, containing all the logic for when to buy, when to sell, and how much to trade. And the best part? You can apply these strategies to a wide range of instruments: futures, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, metals, you name it. Now here's where it gets interesting. TradingView allows you to set up alerts based on your strategy. These alerts trigger when your strategy wants to take action. Maybe it's time to open a long position, or perhaps close a short. Think of these alerts as your strategy saying, hey, it's time to make a move. But alerts alone don't make trades, right? So how do we turn these alerts into real market actions? This is where a service like Tickerly comes in handy. It acts as a bridge between your TradingView alerts and your chosen exchange. Here's how it works. You set up your TradingView alerts to go straight to an alert processing server. This server is like a super fast translator. It takes the input from TradingView and converts it into something your chosen exchange can understand. And when I say fast, I mean fast. This all happens in a fraction of a second. Once the alert is translated, it's sent as a corresponding order to your exchange to place the trade. The exchange then confirms, or in rare cases rejects, the order and sends this information back. It's like a high-speed conversation between your strategy and your exchange, all happening in the blink of an eye. After the exchange confirms the trade, you get a notification of the result. This is just to keep you in the loop. You don't need to take any action. Your strategy is hard at work, and you're always informed. It's like having a personal trading butler. Now you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's easier than ordering a pizza online. All you need is 3 things: a TradingView account to host your strategy, an account with a service like Tickerly that can process your alerts and communicate with exchanges, and a trading account at your preferred exchange. And there you have it. You've just turned your TradingView strategy into a fully automated trading bot. No more staring at screens all day or manually placing each trade. Just set it up and let your bot handle the rest. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Start by perfecting your TradingView strategy, then look into services that can automate it for you. Until next time, may your algorithms be profitable and your entries well executed.